Hello, come on in, welcome.
Bienvenidos.
We offer culturally immersive cooking experiences taught by immigrant women from around the world who are all expert home cooks.
Thank you very, very much for being here.
I'd like to know a little bit about each one of you, and feel free to ask me any question.
And then here is half cup of cumin seeds.
It's not a Greek food without olive oil and feta cheese.
Food is the way for storytelling for me, to tell about my story, my narrative, what's happened in my life, what happens in Iran.
I learned this dish from my mother-in-law.
Taste your raita, how the taste is. Salt, sugar, everything should be proper balance.
The salad, the chimichurri, the piece of meat, and the potatoes. Everything is ready.
They're doing very well, so.
It's great. She's on her second bowl.
That is so
good.
Guys, I'm proud of you guys. You did great job.